Hello, good morning. My name is Made Sangkat Maja, class management 23I, and my presentation is desain organisasi in the materi designing organizational structure, specialization, and
Number one, the
coordination.
meaning and importance of organizational culture. Organizational culture is a foundation that shapes how people think, behave, and work within an organization. It is not merely a written set of rules, but a living identity that with daily action and decision. Culture defines how employee community and collaboration and solve problem. And a strong culture provides a clear direction and has motivation, build unity and strength and organization reputation. And in contrast, our cultural creative confusion, reduce productivity, increase conflict, and lead to inconsistent decision making. Understanding how cultural is format and manager is essential for leader and employer work when to build a healthy and performing organization. And next materi, the basic concept of organizational culture. And organizational culture refer to share value, norm, ritual, and behavior better that are collective understand and practiced by member of an organization. It is reflected in how people work, interest, communicate, and respond to challenge. Culture can also be overshared in physical layout and communication style, leadership partner, and management policy. It is not grab overnight ensure cultural employees over time through history and leadership influence, significant event, and everyday experience. When members deeply understand what their cultural and standard for, they gain a clear sense of identity or purpose with the organization. And next materi and factor that shape organizational culture. An organizational culture is formed through various interconnected factors. The value of founders play a crucial role as early leaders often set the tone for what the organization believes in. Leadership style is another major influencer because employees tend to follow the behavior model by their leader. Past experience, both success and will reshape collective learning that eventually become part of the culture. Management policy, organizational structure, and reward system, and even the external environment, such as market demand and national culture, and also contribute the shaping cultural partner. Over time, this influence balance into unique identity, the characteristic the organizational. Organizational culture is formed through various interest factor. The value is one. Okay, next, the critical role of leadership in building culture. Leader acts as the main driver of organizational culture. They not only communicate cultural value but also demonstrate them through their daily action. And when leaders show integrity, encourage innovation, and promote collaboration, an employee tend to mirror this behavior. However, when leaders act incessantly or fail the outlook statement value, the cultural weakness and consistent growth, leaders also influence cultural by decisioning organizational structure, implement police and setting reward system that raise foreign desire behavior. This consistency and authenticity determine whether the culture becomes credible and leader exists in the cultural management of the organizational cultural. They not only communication cultural value but also demonstrate this practice in daily election. The next strategy for building a strong organizational culture. Creating a strong culture requires clarity, planning, and long-term commitment. Organization must first define their core value and translate them into specific behavior. Expensive from all members, this value must then be communication through orientation, training, meeting, and daily interaction. Recruitment process so daily interacts elegant so that new hires not only possess the necessary skill but also fit the cultural identity of the organizational reward system. So action-led and respondent behavior that aligns with cultural value about art. Cultural individual must be implementation consistently, other with cultural become nothing more than. And next materi, socialization, interrelation, and cultural reinforcement. And cultural become mindful only with employer to really understand and practice its socialization being the moment new employee join the organization through orientation program, mentorship training session, and everyday interaction. New member learn the value and expectation of the organization and internalization of occur when this value become part and employee natural behavior and reinforcing cultural resources and environment that support these values such as open communication space and collaboration tool, supportive leadership, and system that recognize positive behavior. When employer assessment application from demonstrating cultural value, those value become more deeply embraced and sustained over time. And next materi, work on environment and organizational system as cultural supports. And organizational cultural is experienced not only through behavior but also through structure, system, and the work environment. Then design of is space, the use technology, the decision making process, and management system, and every that way meeting and condition all refresh the organizational cultural identity, cultural that ensuring innovation, my feature open workspace, flexible work arrangement, and creative brainstorming are manual and organization that restores control and
Accuracy may rely on more formal production and standardization work when system and environment align with cultural value. The system and environment is organization cultural is not only through behavior but also through structure system and workplace environment. This matter. And change cultural along and layer process and cultural change become necessary when extending value no longer support organizational goal. Change cultural is long-term process that requires practice and strategy effort. An organization must build by identifying with value need to change and clearly communication the response build the shift. Leader must model the new behavior consistently and visibly work system structure and reward shall be redesigned to respond with the user culture and employer need continuous guidance, support and feedback as the adjustment. The new experience cultural change is successful when employee adopt new behavior natural without being remarked, showing that the new culture has become part of its daily habits.